Target. Okay, so here you see that hole in the thing in the thingamaboob there. We put another light. So we'll see how this works. It'll probably be cool. Warning. Awesomeness. Ooh, it's purple. Blue. Purple. Woohoo!
That was the light bulb.
That was definitely the little one. I love how much stuff is lining up in there. Isaac's having a sneeze attack. Ooh, Sparkies.
Man, that stuff stinks.
Yeah, it does. Wait, we're still going. Still got some stuff going on in there. Ooh, sparks.
Let me turn it on its side.
Ew. Gosh, disgusting. Why are you turning it on its side? Still filming. We got nothing. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, pretty.
What if it's all glass? I don't know. Dude, look, it's red hot.
Red hot.